How often are you supposed to be changing your HVAC filters or your furnace filters? I mean, it says it right here, lasts up to 3 months. And that's just this brand here, but look, there are a bunch of environmental factors that should come into play here. So that 3-month window that they're telling you, do you live anywhere near an airport? Do you live very close to a major roadway, especially like a highway or something like that? Do you smoke in your home? Do you have pets in your home? Those things would drastically change the maintenance cycle that I would take for my HVAC or furnace filters. The 3-month window assumes a perfectly clean home, essentially, right? Like no foreign contamination or airborne elements that the system is having to remove. And the more of those things that you add, the more aggressively you should be maintaining the system. I would say it's not uncommon for, if you smoke and you've got a bunch of dogs and cats and stuff like that, once a month. You should change your furnace filters once a month. But here's a tip for you. Oftentimes there's a bunch of options here. So there's really cheap furnace filters and then super duper expensive ones. And you might be inclined to think, well, expensive is better, right? Expensive is always better. But not always, actually. There's a number of cases where a furnace filter that's providing too much restriction, there's just not enough airflow passing readily through it, that can create some problems downstream for you. And the cheaper variety, they're actually a little bit better in that regard. They allow the airflow easier, which is easier for your system to operate. And if you're going to be changing them a lot anyway, which you probably should if you have anything but like a perfectly clean home, you should change your filters more often than not because they're not very expensive at all, especially for the cheaper furnace filters. They're a couple of dollars. Change them as often as every month, no later than every 3 months. Like it says up to 3 months. You really shouldn't go that long. There's a bunch of different things that can be contributing towards that furnace filter getting more dirty than you realize it's getting. And again, just like the really expensive furnace filters, when it gets dirty, it creates restriction to airflow. And that restriction to airflow compromises the efficiency that your furnace or HVAC system can operate at. So it's in your best interest to change them early and often, and they're not too expensive, so I'd recommend doing that. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm technically Steve, and it'll technically help you if you do. If you do, I guess I'll see you soon.